Hi, this is Sandy with Coldwell Banker Bain. I'm here with Russ of Cardinal Heating.
Hi.
And we want to share with you the importance of keeping clean filters in a furnace. Russ, what can you share with us based on your expertise?
Sandy, when you come across a filter, airflow is the most critical part of the life of your home comfort system. I always say this is our most expensive, most neglected appliance in the house. Anything that we can do to extend the life of it is the most important thing to do. This is the simplest thing a homeowner can do to extend the life or even improve the indoor air quality of their home. By having a dirty filter, air gets slowed down over the heat exchanger. The heat exchanger will get too hot and could cause potential problems in shorting the life of that. Indoor air quality, there's a saturation point to 1-inch filters. Once they reach that saturation point, then you're getting the really irritant dust that comes through the filter, the really small particles which cause asthma and things like that.
Oh, good to know. Good to know. Yep.
As well as reducing airflow over a blower motor or of that. Again, you can replace your filter but have a dirty blower motor, and that will start to reduce airflow over your heat exchanger, which will shorten the life of your system. Simple things
Yep.
to make it super easy, and it's super inexpensive to replace your filters. 30 to 90 days. Sorry to interrupt.
No.
30 to 90 days is the average life of the filter.
Okay.
So a 1-inch filter, 30 to 90 days.
Awesome. Good information, Russ. Thank you so much.
You bet.
And you can always reach me. I'm at 206-617-6400. And Russ, he's a contractor for Cardinal Heating based out of Kirkland. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.
Bye.